Pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. Beautiful. First, we had this beautiful short trade here at the Asian session. Squeeze amazing profit. Today morning, we had a news, good data for the pound. We have price nasty broken this resistance, and we had this beautiful long trade here. We also had this short trade here. Now, let me explain to you how we analyze this short, a long, and then short trade and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you look ahead, hello traders. Today is 16th of December 2025. Let me show you guys how we analyze the market. Today was amazing analysis and amazing trade. Beautiful day, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze market today. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, as you have seen, yes, last week we had this beautiful long trade here, and afterwards the price developed a consolidation. As you can see, technically we call it as a correction. So we were expecting, as mentioned to here, you can see here, if the price respected many time. So today we had a news that was a good sign for the cable. As you can see here, the price developed a bullish engulfing candle. We had this beautiful breakout and afterwards pull back. Then as you can see here, the price nicely respected this resistance. We also had a one small counter short trade. Now let me show you guys how we analyze the market. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. You can see here that was the breakout, just before the news, and we did this analysis at the European Open, and after that beautiful breakout hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, and afterwards we also had this counter short trade on pound dollar. All right, so we had an same more or less the same trade we had it for the Euro USD, pretty straightforward. We were looking this breakout, price nicely broken, beautiful, and squeeze amazing profit. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the trade. So that was a pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful breakout, amazing trade, long trade here. After this breakout, we also mentioned take any pullback, long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. It's a pretty explained if the price broke on this low and this high while the price is here, don't initiate price nicely broken. You can see here beautiful hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on Euro USD. All right, so let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. Beautiful. First, we had this beautiful short trade here at the Asian session. Squeeze amazing profit. Today morning, we had a good data for the pound. We have price nasty broken this resistance, and we had this beautiful long trade here. We also had this short trade here. Now let me explain to you how we analyze this short, a long, and then short trade and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you look ahead, this is the trade we had it at the yesterday. We did this analysis. We were looking for this breakout, price nicely broken at the Asian session, and we have mentioned all these pullback. That was the beautiful short trade we had it, and afterwards we also had another pullback. You can see a counter long trade here, pretty standard. After the news release, data was good for the cable and pretty straightforward around this level. You can see here the price nicely broken. After the breakout, price nicely give us the confirmation. We had two beautiful long trade here, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. And then later on, we also had a counter short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price developed a sideways market. In 4 hour, you can see a price nicely broken and hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. Let me share with you guys the gold. Gold, we had amazing, beautiful long trade here, guys. We were expecting some price action here. As you can see, the price repeatedly respect is sort of like a falling wedges develop. And at the New York session, just before the New York session, you can see here the price nicely respected and breakout. So we've been taking a long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. As you can see, the price refused to stay above the previous high. We also had this counter short trade and squeeze amazing profit, guys, once they hit the profit target. Now let me show you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you look ahead, we had this is the first trade we had it pretty straightforward. We were looking this breakout, and you can see here the price nicely broken and beautiful long trade. After that, as mentioned, keep taking a pullback. So we did another analysis, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, mention any pullback, price develop 1, 2, 3, 4, pullback, squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, as mentioned here, just keep taking a pullback. So we had this beautiful counter short trade here. You can see here, price. The way we take it, the counter short trade, if you look at here, the price refused to stay above this level. This is the low. We're looking for this breakout. Even though price broke on this one, as you can see here, this low, and price refused to stay above, break above this level. As mentioned, trader, keep taking another short trade here. We have another beautiful short trade here. Squeeze them because our stop loss was above this level. Beautiful, amazing. Even after that, we explained take for another pullback. So let me share with you guys. We had another beautiful pullback short trade, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see here, beautiful, amazing short trade, squeeze amazing profit, and most of the traders really enjoyed it. So today we bank amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it when you see it in real time. Most welcome. Join our fast going trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.